you have an interview coming up and you want basic tips. All right, here are 3 tips that I share with people in any type of interview. The first thing is name dropping. I want to start off with that first. We all know people and we have past relationships from various companies that we may have worked in, and just life. You go to church with certain people, all of that, it's all good. But when you are in an interview, let your own merits and your work speak for itself. They are not interviewing the person you are name dropping. They are interviewing you. So you have probably may have had the opportunity to put that person down as a reference. That's great. But in your interview, you speak about you. You brag about you, because on just a different lens, sometimes you name drop and the person may not be as respected as you think. Not to say that's not always the case, but you don't know people's connections in that room with people. So it can help you or hurt you. But I like to tell people when I'm interviewing, I like to hear what you are doing and how you can help me in the organization. Leading right into that, number 2, make sure that it comes across in your interview that you are a problem solver. Yes, so many times we all have the gift of identifying things that may be wrong or that could be improved upon. That is great, but how is it that you are going to add value to that organization, to that hiring manager? How do you problem solve? So all the questions that you are answered, look at it that you are solving a problem. Lastly, how do you speak about other people when they are not in the room? Are you trashing your old former boss or your company? Or if someone makes a comment of how they do a certain thing in their area or in that position now, you're like, great, because I wish, my boss would do that. No. Be careful how you speak about people when they are not in the room. That is important. Yes, we all know the reality. There are people that are in positions that you're not happy, and that's okay. But when you're trying to move forward, you leave that past the past, and you just answer that, hey, you're looking for a change. You are looking forward to being open to doing things differently, and you leave it at that. Your feelings, thoughts about how terrible your boss was, that's just not a good look. So it's okay to think that. That's your prerogative, but that does not need to come across in an interview and just any day-to-day operations. So more for me, remember the 3 things when you're going into an interview. Be a problem solver. Be careful about be mindful about name dropping, and also please be careful or think about how you speak about other people when they are not in your presence. All right, more from Dr. White. You know what to do.